Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boot from the USB on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, there you can run the installation or the download into the background of your PC. And if you want to, of course, if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not gonna be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want if you're facing some issues, as an example, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like Windows 10 better. But I bet you will like Windows 11 as much or even more when you get used to it. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps or documents for you, so don't worry about this. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to boot from USB on the Windows. So how can we do that? The first thing that we would like to do is just go and open an advanced startup or restart our PC, but with advanced, which will take us into our BIOS. Of course, there's two options to do that. You can just go and restart your PC with the normal way, and once it's restarting, you can simply spam F12 or delete. Spam them both. It depends from your PC. Some PC delete works with them, and others F12 works with them. So for you, just spam both. It depends on your PC so we don't get any issues. And of course, if you want that will open your BIOS, then you can just go and select your USB that you would like to boot from. Of course, if you want to do that through your settings, you can just go and click at Windows I, which will open your settings, or just go and open your settings with your normal way or usual way. Then here and find the settings, make sure to type recovery, click at recovery options. Once you are here, make sure to restart now, and that will open your settings, or sorry, that will open your BIOS. Make sure to click at restart now on an advanced startup, and that will open your BIOS and do the same. Just go and boot from your USB and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.